How to fix TikTok upload problem. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. Go to the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is go to TikTok and then go to the storage here. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on data usage and make sure to enable all those options and disable the roaming data. That's it. Now you have to open the Play Store, search for TikTok and click on update. After you update your TikTok, the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.